Hey, how's it going? This is Joe Antel. Today I'm going to be unboxing two products from PSB. One are headphones and the other some bookshelf speakers. Alright, so these here were sent to me from Lenbrook and they wanted me to take a look at some of their stuff. So I told them I've never taken a look at any PSB products, so that's why I'm doing this. So thank you to Lenbrook for sending these out. Alright, so first up are these headphones. Let's take a look at these here. Ooh. What are these? These are for Joe Mariano for review. There it is. These are the PSB M4U 8 wireless active noise canceling headphones. Cool. So if you know me, I've always been a fan of the Sony WH-1000XM3s. They're wireless, they're noise canceling, they sound good enough. Primarily, I like them for noise canceling. So I'm kind of curious to see how these do. PSB is known for audiophile stuff, so I figure, you know what, maybe they'll do a better job with sound quality. That's one area where the Sonys were lacking. Sonys were awesome when it came to noise canceling though, so we'll see. So just so you guys know, this is not a review, this is only an unboxing, a first impression, and you know, the reason I do these is because if you guys have questions about these later on, hopefully I'll have an answer for you based on my experiences. Go ahead and take the plastic off of these, throw that aside, make a mess. Let's see what it says here on the box first. So there's that. You see the front there. And it says, included accessories, airplane adapter, okay, a 1/4-inch stereo adapter, ergonomic gyro action ear pads, 3.5 analog cable, a micro USB cable, and a traveling case. Cool. What else does it say here on the back? Expandable leather headband for premium comfort, aptX HD Bluetooth, NFC pairing, that's cool, I have an Android phone. Active noise canceling with 4 adaptive mics. Hopefully the sound quality on calls is better on this than the Sony's. It's not very good on the Sony. Volume playback and active monitor controls, call answer controls, 2 built-in mics with CVC technology for enhanced call clarity, ergonomic gyro action ear pads, rechargeable batteries, and dual 3.5 analog inputs. Dual. Does that mean that you know, I can choose which side it's on? That's kind of cool. Room feel, get the superior imaging qualities of home audio speakers and a pair of headphones. Compromise nothing between listening at home versus listening while on the go. Well, let's see if that's true. And ooh, nice presentation here. So you have your quick start guide here. Okay, I'll leave that. Accessories. All right. Accessories, what do we have here? That 3.5 with a right angle connector on that one, and this is a USB cable, and it is USB older USB, not USB-C. So all right, I prefer USB-C, but maybe that's something they can do on the next version. So here are the headphones. Let me just see what other accessories are here. That airplane adapter and the adapter for a 1/4-inch. Cool. So I think I can put this aside right now and take a look at this. So here we have the case, and it's a nice leather case, and it's pretty compact, right? I wouldn't mind throwing this in some luggage. Ooh, these fold pretty nice and compact. That's cool. What are these? Oh, an extra set of ear pads. I wonder. That's kind of cool. That's kind of awesome. A cleaning cloth and a carabiner. Carabiner? I don't know. And then, so here are the headphones. And yeah. Close these up. Yeah, these feel good. The pads feel real nice and soft on here. Weight-wise, let me see how these compare weight-wise to these Sonys here. Maybe a little, it's a little bit heavier. Not a ton though. Yeah, not a ton. Yeah, very good. Yeah, cool. Put those aside. All right, let's see how these look. So let me see. Hold on a second. So there's a 3.5 there and a 3.5 here. That's cool. So you can switch sides. You have toggles for, yeah, these are hard. Yeah, I like actual physical controls. You know, the Sony does have the touch controls, which are a cool function, but I prefer to have actual controls. So there's a Bluetooth button, volume up and down, ANC on and off, and then this is switching the tracks forward and backwards. And then you can press in. Can this one press in? Yeah, it can. Press in for, I guess, answering a call. Let's see how they fit. Right, left, okay. Okay. Yeah, these fit pretty good. If anything, they feel a little bit plasticky, but so do the Sonys. So, yeah, I want to know, how do I turn this thing on? So yeah, there are the mics there. What else? It says PSB on the side. Shiny chrome I'm not a fan of, but it does have this kind of like soft leather on the top, which is nice. How do I turn this on? I want to see how the noise on. Ooh, noise canceling on. All right, here we go. Oh, there's different levels of noise canceling. So we got that, blue, and then that. So let's see what that does. All right, so I'm in the blue mode here. Okay, hello? I don't know that I could hear too much of a difference. Hold on, turn it off. All right, all the way on, it beeped. Okay, so now we're in noise canceling mode and I'm having a hard time even hearing my own voice. So that's a good sign. All right, I'm kind of curious to hear these. Play a tune real quick, let's see. Pair new device, PSB M4U 8. All right, pair. I guess I could have just touched it to this, right? All right, cool, so it's paired. It shows me 100% battery, awesome. So let me go ahead and play a track here. Open up title. Let's see, this is my test track for bass, Unravel Me, Sabrina Claudio. All right, good job on bass. Let's see something with some treble. What's a good, Miguel, what is that one song? Okay, so let's try out How Many Drinks by Miguel. This one has a ton of treble, let's see. Voices, I'm gonna go with Frank Sinatra here. All right, well, I can listen all day, but I'm not going to. So I think I want to say that sound quality, I can already tell this has more of that audiophile sound quality that I'm used to. It sounds more like some of my other headphones that are wired. Compared to the Sonys sound a little bit muffled, I guess. They sound decent, but I bought those mainly for noise canceling. But these, yeah, these sound better. Which ones look cooler? You guys tell me. So we got these here. Then we got the Sonys. I think, in my opinion, the Sonys have it, but you guys tell me. Yeah? Same thing? All right. So yeah, I'm interested in testing the call quality on these. Yeah, very cool. All right. We'll see what happens with these. On to the next unboxing. Now we have the PSB Alpha Series P5. Some bookshelf speakers. Let's see what this thing's got. Somebody want to send me a good knife? I don't have a good pocket knife. Maybe if you're generous, you can send me one and I'll use it on my unboxings. All right. So there we go. Let's open that up. All right, so you have your quick start guide and some, it looks like some silicone feet. Keep it from sliding around. Put that aside. Good old styrofoam. Go ahead and take that out. Ooh, staticky. I feel static here. Okay. And let's take out speaker number 1. Oh, these things are tiny. Use some little cuties right here. Go ahead and close this back up for a second. All right, looks like a walnut veneer. Very nice, a little bit of gloss to it. Yeah, I don't mind that. So it looks like one of those speakers that's a little bit longer this way, as you can see. All right, very nice looking speaker in my opinion. And it looks like it has, what is this? That's like a metal grill. Interesting. Let's see, how does this come off? PSB speakers. Ooh, magnets. Ooh, that's a different type of design. That's cool. So the problem with any grill or most grills is that it affects the sound, right? That's a problem. And it's usually caused by the plastic that goes around, and it affects the tweeter response, affects a lot of things. But this is kind of like surface mounted, I guess you could say. I don't know if you can see that there, but like, look at how thin that is. Right? You guys see that? Just a thin piece of metal. Kind of curious to see. I might be able to do some measurements to see how this affects that. But very cool. I like that. And there is the speaker itself. I don't even know which way's up. So these are the Alpha P5s. And okay, these are mounted this way. That's how they roll. And so I know nothing about these right now. That looks like 5 1/4, and it feels like some kind of treated paper is my guess. And it looks like a 0.75 inch. What kind of tweeter? I think I read that that's an aluminum tweeter. On the back here, it does have, looks like a 1/4 inch thread if you want to mount this. That's kind of handy. And you have a rear port here that looks like about 1.5 inches. Yeah, an 1.5 inches. And then you have your 5-way binding posts. Yeah, I'm excited to see how these sound. Very cool, good looking. Those are the PSB Alpha P5s. And let's see how these measure, how they sound. I'm excited. Thank you to Lenbrook for sending these out for me to check out. And hopefully I'll be doing a review about them both pretty soon. We'll have to see. I have a pretty tight schedule, but thank you again. Anyway, that's it. If you like the video, make sure to like, subscribe, ring the bell to be notified when I upload new videos. Anyway, take care. Bye-bye.